Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to create an account in System.io for free. How to sign up to System.io? System.io has free and paid version. It's really good for beginners and I'll show you how to sign up. All you have to do is click get my free account, or you can just enter your email here. Okay, so I'm gonna enter my email and then get my free account. Okay, it's gonna say almost there. You need to confirm your email by clicking on the link we just emailed you. Okay, and then just go to your email and it's gonna say System.io. Confirm your email address. Okay, I'm just gonna click on this link and then set your new password. Click I'm not a robot and then click save. And then it has a two-factor authentication. Verify your code. So you're just gonna go to this email again, to your email again, and then get your code. And then sign in. Okay, now I'm in. As you can see, this is your System.io dashboard. And this is your fresh new account. In our upcoming videos, we will navigate all the tabs in System.io. So make sure to hit the bell icon so you will be notified. Also, get 2 freebies from me when you sign up using my affiliate link in the description box below. Number 1 is step-by-step sales funnel guide. Number 2 is course funnel checklist. Just go to www.expresscoursefunnel.com. If this is your first time on our channel, you are welcome. After watching this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, please comment and I'll try to answer. Thank you for your time, and until next time, take care and have a wonderful day.